Okei, eli kaikki ei ollut siinä vielä. Eli me tehdään nyt yksi liike kerrallaan ja me aloitetaan semmoisella, joka on nimeltään kahdeksikko. Eli in English, 8. So, Candice, please. 8. What do you think you like? What do you have to do like with your?
So you want me to give instructions?
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe a little bit.
Sure. You're gonna make 2 circles with each of your hips. So 1, 2, going inwards, and you can also go outwards. You can also do this in a circle and in. Add the arms. Now we're gonna move into a choo-choo.
Yeah. Eli nyt me mennään semmoiseen kuin choo-choo. Ja tässä sä voit todellakin käyttää sun huivias.
One leg back, other front. So hip, front, back, front, back, front,
Back. Back. And here
Now
you
we're
can
gonna
use your scarf.
Exactly.
So you can make some noise with your scarf.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna move to a new. This doesn't have a name.
This doesn't have a name, so.
So the same thing, but you're gonna add the arms.
Yeah.
The opposite.
Just add arms.
Circle.
Eli nämä kaikki voi tehdä kanssa ympyrässä. Niin kuin hän tekee.
Now we're gonna use the same hip, the right hip. Up, up, down, down, down. Up, up, down, down, down.
Up, up, down, down, down.
Up, down, down, down. Up, up, down, down, down. Now we're gonna use the same leg, right, and undulate with the stomach.
Oh yeah.
This is the camel.
This is the camel, eli tämän nimi on kameli.
You can use the arm to turn. Again. And change sides. Left. Up. And we're doing floreos with our wrists.
What?
Floreos.
Floreos.
Yeah.
Okay, they're called floreos. Am I doing it right? Like.
Yeah. So you're going to be using the wrists inwards, making small circles. And you can
And these
start...
2 fingers like.
Exactly. These 2 join together a bit.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
And you can go along the hip line,
Yeah.
up, and now cross the right arm in front of the hip.
Okay, right arm.
And now the left over the chest. Now,
Oh, cool.
undulate with the floreo.
Undulate with the floreo. Oh my god.
And now we're going to go up, back bend, and up. And the same again. Circle. Now we're switching the arms. Right, left, right, left. Now we're going to move into a new move.
Eli nyt me siirrytään uuteen liikkeeseen.
And we're going to bring the arms up above your head and up on your tippy toes.
Eli varpaillaan vähän pitää olla.
You're pushing forward with the hips.
You're pushing forward with the hips. I'm just making sure they can
Okay.
hear. And I can remember.
Good. Now, should I keep going?
No, I can.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or whatever. Yeah.
Okay.
I
So
think.
you can change anything you want.
Yeah, exactly. And yeah, I think. Eli musta tuntuu, että se oli siinä, koska että me ei haluta overwhelm you with information. Mä en tiedä, miten se sanotaan suomeksi. But kuitenkin pidä aivan mahtava polttaripäivä ja mä jatkan täällä elämääni Granadassa, mutta pian häissä nähdään. Ok? Moikka! You have to come down.
Bye bye! Congratulations! Enjoy!
She will. Bye bye!